Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive or buy data from Good Day Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, I can speak English and I can understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I'm healthy, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
My friend, ma'am.
Your friend, do you know which place they were designated?
No, ma'am. I don't know, ma'am, where
Okay.
she is.
Remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your friend, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
Yes, ma'am. First time.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I choose mom because for the support to support my family, ma'am.
Okay, what is your name?
I am April Rose Labubilotok, ma'am.
Or how old are you?
39 years old.
Are you single or married?
I'm single, ma'am.
Single with live-in partner or single mother?
A single with living partner, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
Um, I born on April 18, 1986.
What is your height and your weight?
My height, ma'am, is 5'1", and my weight is 68
What is
kilos.
your religion?
I am a Roman Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
I am a college level, ma'am.
In what course?
Bachelor of Secondary Education, ma'am. Major in math, ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to work as a domestic helper?
I got pregnant this month.
What
Can you
hap-
repeat the
What happened? Why you decided to work as a domestic helper?
I decided to work as a domestic helper, ma'am, because I like to help my family. I have a son that person with disability, ma'am.
Okay, but I would like to let you know that working as a domestic helper is very hard, okay? This is not an easy job. It is a very, very tough job and you need to prepare yourself, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many children do you have?
I have four children, ma'am.
How
They are
old
all boys.
how old are those children?
17-year-old boy, 16-year-old boy, 6-year-old boy, and a 4-year-old boy.
Okay, so who will going to take care of these children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My sister, ma'am.
How old is your sister and what is her occupation?
She is 42 years old, ma'am, with a business, ma'am.
Okay, what about your husband? How old is your husband? And what is
My,
his occupation?
my partner, ma'am, he is 44 years old. He is a driver, ma'am.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have any problem with him later.
Yes, ma'am, we don't have problem.
Are you sure? I don't want later that you were going to mix your personal life to your job. That's
Yes,
improper,
ma'am.
okay?
Yes.
Okay, according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2008 to 2022. Am I right?
2021, ma'am, to 24.
2008 to 2020, you are a full-time mother, is it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
After that, 2021 to 2024, you work as a what?
I work as a housemaid, ma'am, here in
Is
the Philippines.
you work for 3 years, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so is it a stay-in maid?
No, ma'am, stay out maid, ma'am.
In which part of the Philippines?
Um, in my own town, ma'am, in Palawan, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Palawan?
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat the
What
question, ma'am?
what is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in Palawan while you were working as a housemaid?
Um, doing a house house chores, mom, like washing clothes, cleaning house. I also doing gardening, planting plants like that, mom. I also taking care of pets, mom, like dogs.
How many pets?
One, mom.
Dog only, is it?
Sorry.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
you do the house chores, you do the cooking, laundry, ironing, you do the gardening, and you also take care of a dog.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
I stopped working, ma'am, for taking care of my person with disability kid, ma'am.
Oh,
Disabled.
okay, so are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook? Can you
Yes,
cook?
ma'am.
Okay. What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
What yet, ma'am?
What type of dishes you can prepare?
I can prepare, ma'am, like Filipino food, but I can learn foods from Malaysia if they want to cook to me.
Okay, so can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned, domestic helper is very tough job, okay? This is not an easy
Yes.
job. Yeah? Employers here
Yes.
is very particular when it comes of cleanliness and houses here is very big. So you need to get ready yourself, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
How will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that this is your first time working abroad?
Um, I'll do a video call, ma'am, and then I love the new nature, the new environment, and the new opportunity that the God given to me, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a 2 years contract. It's not one day, it's not 1 week, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 1 month, and definitely it's not 1 year. You will going to
Yes.
sign a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family, you cannot handle your job anymore. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone for 24 hours, but instead, you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finished your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
We don't force people to come here. It's you are the one who come with us because you wanted to apply with this job opportunity. Okay?
Yes.
Nobody
Yes, ma'am.
forced you to come and work here. If you agree with
Yes.
our rules and regulations, you come here, you work properly, don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
Always remind yourself why you come to work here, okay? You can be the
Yes.
boss in the Philippines, but here in Malaysia or in any other countries, we need to humble ourselves, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, April. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.